Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about an sample Python module which brings option chain in real time via OpenAlgo WebSockets. Right, so recently many people asked me, is there a sample code can you provide for OpenAlgo WebSockets in Python? So here is the answer for that. Let me show you. Already I'm running OpenAlgo in the background at port 5000. Right. I'm also gonna go here and then I'm gonna run option chain as well parallelly, which will be running in 5800. It's a Python code. I'll be sharing the link in the comment description, right? So where you can go and see that. And once this is done, right, so you can go and check out the OpenAlgo, ensure that it is working fine, and ensure that your env is configured. You'll be getting this option chain, right? It'll be running very interactively with very few minimal codes. And yeah, you can also change to BANKNIFTY or even SENSEX. You will be able to change the expiry dates as well, right? So you can go and change the expiry dates as well. So expiry date of your own choice, and you can integrate into your strategies, and you can build your own strategies on top of the option chain, or you can build option execution modules on top of this option chain. This is a pretty basic option chain, right? And I guess this explains how to make use of the option chain. Let me know what you will be building on top of that, or how you want to integrate it on top of that. It also comes with the tags as well. It tags ATM, OTM, ITM values in real time. So, and the values will be keep on updating. The strike price will be updating, PCR and total volume. Everything will be updating in real time. And all these data is coming directly from the broker via OpenAlgo WebSockets. So I hope this explains. Let me know if you know anything more about option chain in comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.